Welcome back to another episode of Camp Cooking, where I share with you guys 3 meals that are very easy to cook when living in a small car camper. If you're new here, hey, my name is Alana, and I've been living out of this 2006 Honda Accord for the past 2 years, over 2 years now, and so I've found ways to make healthy food while living life on the road. I think a lot of people have the assumption that since I don't have a kitchen, I eat out a lot, and that is simply not the case because I am cheap. So, today we're doing breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We're starting with breakfast, and we're having some sausage and eggs. When I'm camping, I like to get the small pack of eggs so that it doesn't take up too much room in my ice chest. And then I also like to get the pre-cooked sausages so that I don't have raw meat floating around in my ice chest. That's just a personal thing, but I really like these pre-cooked sausages from Yellowstone. We're also going to be having a cup of Kirkland Signature because I'm trying to use up this bag of coffee that I bought for my yoga retreat over a month ago now. It's not going too well, obviously, because I still have it. Oh, and before I forget, this is not coleslaw dressing. This is a reused coleslaw dressing bottle with half and half in it. So later on when you see me pouring this into my coffee, don't be alarmed. This breakfast is pretty self-explanatory though, so I think I'm just gonna let the camera roll and let you guys enjoy. I thought I was being so smooth by bringing everything I needed, including stuff to wash the dishes, and I forgot a spatula. So I'll be right back. Comment if you get the reference. Luckily I remembered this before I cracked the eggs, but yeah, this is a reality of car camping in a car that doesn't have a kitchen, is you have to pack everything in, and sometimes that's annoying. I do have a table in my car. It's just a pain to like pull it out and put it back every single time I want to use it, and I feel really awkward cooking in parking lots. I know some car campers do it. I don't. I usually like to look for picnic areas, or if I'm in a city, I'll go to like a public park or something that has a picnic table that I can use. But there are some nasty dark clouds rolling in, so I need to shut up and cook some food. I didn't bring any salt and pepper. Oh well, I just have to live with that. I'll have the seasonings of the cast iron. No yolk for me. Alrighty, let's see. True test of a cast iron. If you can fry an egg in it. Oh, look at that. So satisfying. Flip this pan around. Crack the second one. Why you no crack? Bruh. I usually don't like to do it on the side of the cast iron, because then I have to scrub the side of the cast iron. No yolk. Or should I say no runny yolk. Alrighty. Now that the eggs have their place, I'll warm up the pre-cooked sausages. Okay, well, that'll do. Do y'all see those clouds coming in? This might end up being a rainy day, what I eat in a day. Mine! Mine! No! Why'd you decide to do that? You're dumb. Now I have to deal with you. Could you get off my plate? Come here. Oh, really? You're not dead. You're just plain... Well, that deserves death. Alrighty. Let's see if we can eat this and get back to the car before the sky lets loose. Thunder. Uh-oh. Could the flies not? I love these sausages. Also, I usually try to have fruit with my breakfast as well, but my blueberries were moldy, so 'tis the struggle when you live with an ice chest. Low-key, I hate that my rainy day car camping videos are what do well and people click on those because, like, bro, I can't control the weather, okay? So I try to, like, plan all my vlogs. I don't know when it's gonna do this. Like, is this gonna be a rainy day what I eat in a day video or nah? Let me know. I don't know. I think I just need to finish this and take most of this stuff back to my cars so that I'm prepared in case it rains. And then I will catch back up with you guys at lunchtime. Spoiler alert, it is lunchtime right now. I will probably just have a salad at like 2 o'clock. So stay tuned for dinner. That's what's exciting. Alrighty, as predicted, it is now 3 o'clock and I am eating a bagged salad. This one in particular is the Green Goddess Ranch, which is basically just basil ranch, if I was to describe it. I could have added a packet of tuna to this, but it's 3 o'clock and I'm having dinner within like 3 hours. So, in order to still be hungry for the dinner that I have planned, we are just having a bag salad. But if you're having this for lunch, I would encourage you to add protein if you didn't wait until noon to have breakfast. Also, yes, the microphone is attached to my hat because if I attach it to my sun shirt, then my hair gets in the way. Anyways, this is not that exciting, so I will check back in with you guys at dinner. Make sure my head's not cut off. Welcome back to Camp Kitchen. I did pack everything up and put it back into my car while I went for my hike. I thoroughly enjoyed my hike and just tuning out and trying not to think about anything and just staring at the pretty trees. So, now I have unloaded my kitchen back out of my car. And if you can't tell by the ingredients in front of me, tonight we are making homemade chipotle bowls. So starting with this cilantro lime rice, I've actually never tried this before, so I'm curious to see how this tastes. Some corn, some black beans, some lettuce that's left over from my previous What I Eat in a Day video, so if you haven't seen that, go check that out. Some guacamole, and a little bit of butter to make the rice. I also have a side of tortilla chips hidden away in the bag here to, you know, try the guacamole. I also opened this yesterday, so it looks gross, but I promise it's not bad for pre-made store-bought guacamole. It has a lot more flavor than like guac I would make myself. And I honestly prefer making guac myself and only using garlic salt, a little bit of milk, and lime juice. Could you go back on there so the ants don't... Come on. Anyways, it's kind of difficult to make my own guac living in my car because I would have to use this bowl to make the guac and then also... whatever. I also have some Taco Bell sauces. And I know I said this was a Chipotle video, but there was one time Taco Bell gave me way too many sauces, and now I'm trying to use them up so that they're not just floating around in the back of my car. So that was kind of the inspiration for today's meal. Also, I've had these 2 cans in the back of my car probably since I visited my mom. Not at Christmas, but last summer. So, actually, what's the expiration date on these? January 2026 and October 2025. We're good. So I think what I'm going to start with is making the rice, and then once the rice is done, I will assemble the rest. Also, this is going to make 2 servings, I think. So I brought a Ziploc baggie to put the leftovers in. Hopefully this is big enough. I lost all of my Tupperware, and I'm actually realizing that Tupperware is bulky and inconvenient when you have an ice chest, so I've started using plastic bags if I'm going to be making 2 servings and then I have 1 serving left. This has been a game changer. Do I like using single-use plastic? No. Is it what works while living in a tiny vehicle? Yes. I also brought my stuff to do dishes again, so we're good. Hopefully I didn't forget anything this time. I even remembered my can opener that still has the $3 Goodwill sticker on it. Because, I mean, why buy this for full price at Walmart when you can just get it at Goodwill, you know? Anyways, cue the B-roll. Or cue the fails. Ooh, that smells really limey. How did they do that? Alright, it says to cover it, so hopefully it doesn't burn to the bottom. Stay. Alrighty. Ooh, that's warm. I think I need to let some of the water boil off. I can't wait to eat this and then not digest it and poop out all the corn tomorrow. Is this any good? I might need to add another hot sauce packet, but I didn't want to overdo it, you know. I also thought about adding a can of tomatoes, but this already seemed like a lot of food. So we got avocado, corn, and lettuce. Are they the most nutritious vegetables? No. Is corn even a vegetable? No. But this is dinner.
Is avocado a vegetable? Also, no.
All right. Honestly, yeah, that's really good. I think I am going to do another mild. I think the mild hot sauce has a nice flavor, but the hot sauce has the kick to it. So we'll see if this does the trick or if I also do a hot. What did that one say? Yes to forever. Who writes the Taco Bell sauce sayings? They're all pretty stupid. Sorry. I haven't had Chipotle in forever, but this'll do. Well, that concludes my eating for today, so that concludes today's video. If you enjoyed this camp cooking episode, make sure to show me with your thumbs and leave me a comment down below. What should I cook next? Give me some ideas. I appreciate all of you for making it to the end of this video, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below, and I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Bye!